Hello everyone. In today's class, we will discuss what is plan. Okay, before going to business plan topic, let's see what is venture capital, because venture capital and business plans is both are very essential. If you know business plan, if you want to learn business plan, means just have a basic knowledge of venture capital. I only go through venture capital meaning now. First, that is venture capital. It is a form of equity financing, especially designed for funding high risk and high reward projects. Okay, it is venture capital is equity financing. Okay, it is a one of the form of equity financing, especially designed for funding high risk and high reward project. Okay, suppose one person have a latest technology and he don't have that much sufficient fund. In that case, he will borrow private fund. Okay, he will borrow fund from venture capital institution, because he can't go and take amount. Okay, he can't raise amount from initial public offering or from stock market. So because new business and he is new entrepreneur in the market, because of that one, he will borrow fund from private investor. Now let's move to business plan. Okay, how it is interrelated with venture capital and what are the stages comes under business plan. Okay, what are the essential components comes under HNM business plan. Let's discuss. Okay, the first step for the company proposing, that is entrepreneur proposing a new venture in obtaining a venture capital, is to prepare business plan for the consideration of venture capitalist. That is, you have to prepare business plan, how you want to run your business. Okay, what is your plan for future, how you will market your product. Okay, what are the technology will use and how much management you are using. Okay, what are the qualification of that management. Everything you want to show to whom, venture capitalist, and you want to attract, that is, you have to attract venture capitalist to get your amount from them. That is, venture capital receive 100 of business plan every year. Okay, they will get 100 of business plan. Okay, every person knows they won't have necessary capital, so they want to go and they want to get amount from venture capitalist. In that occasion, you have to attract your venture capitalist. If you attract, then only you will get amount. So how to attract, what are the essential item you have to plan. Okay, that is, you have to mention in your business plan, that we will consider here. In that is the length. Okay, the length of business plan not exceed 10 pages. Okay, not more than 10 pages. You have to use simple language, and you have to while explaining technical knowledge. Okay, maybe suppose the venture capitalist from commerce stream, if you are from science stream and you are explaining him technology, means you have to explain in simple language, so that he will get convinced with your idea and he will invest. So you have to be very you have to use simple language to attract venture capitalist. Now moving forward to next, that is essential elements of the business plan. First, that is executive summary. That is summary is very important. Normally we will prepare summary at last. Okay, once we will do everything. Okay, once we will write down all everything. Okay, once we will plan our business plan, later on lastly we will write a summary, but we have to show that summary front. Okay, front first we have to show summary only. This is a very important aspect of business plan, and it's often the best written last. Okay, it is best for you if you written it last. So everything, okay, all detail you have to summarize. Okay, if the details is of the business plan is 10 pages, means you have to bring that all detail into 1 pages to attract venture capital. He don't have enough time. Okay, he will just look into your summary. By looking into your summary, if you get convinced with your summary, means he will go through all your business plan. Like that, main thing is summary only. So while writing summary, you have to be balanced. Okay, you have to provide maybe, okay, it should be limited to not more than 2 pages, and and includes the key elements of business plan. Okay, you only have to provide key points, and it do not have to be include more than 2 pages. Okay, yeah. Then next, background of venture, that is, you have to provide your business detail. Okay, if you are existing company, okay, if your existing company propose to venture, okay, if you are already existing market, then you have to provide your detail, that is when you are started and how you are producing product, in all detail you have to provide. Okay, that is the background of venture you have to provide in business plan. Then you also have to include product and services detail also you have to include. That is the plan should explain the venture product or services in plain English, you have to explain. Okay, in simple you have to explain. That is suppose you have in which stage you are. Okay, whether you are in seed stage, early stage, or you are in early stage. Okay, that all detail you have to provide, to whom you have to provide in business plan. You have to include this all detail in your business plan. Then next what we have, that is market analysis. Market analysis is also important. That is, you have to, while attracting, to attract venture capital, you have to provide market analysis. That is, what are SWOT analysis you have. You suppose in seed only you have research market. In that one you will get SWOT. Okay, what are your strength? Okay, what is your weakness, opportunity and threat? Everything detail regarding your product and services you have to provide. You have to mention in business plan. Okay, you have to mention in your business plan. That is how you have research market and how much opportunity you have from that market. Okay, whether your product will survive or not, that detail you have to provide. Then marketing. Okay, what are the suppose from this previous stage you will get SWOT, no? Then from SWOT, that is opportunity, you will get yeah, from this market I have this opportunity, I have to utilize this opportunity to best effect I have to utilize. So how you will utilize? Okay, how you will attract customer, that you have to mention. That is, such companies sales force strategy for different market, distribution channel, pricing strategy, advertisement, public relationship and promotion plans you have to explain. You have to explain under marketing points. And then you also have to include business operation, how you want to produce your product, how you are rendering your services, that also you have to include in your business plan. That is, what are the sources of raw material, that is, which raw material you will use to produce your product, who are your suppliers, from whom you will purchase your supply. Okay, from whom you will purchase your raw material, and what are the labor requirement you have. And suppose industrial relationship, what are the industrial relationship you have, and approaches regarding industrial relationship. And this plan should outline the company's approach to research and development, and how you will research in market, and how you will plan to develop. Now this also you have to include in your business plan. That comes under business operation. Then next will be the management team. Coming to management team, you have to provide all detail regarding your management team. Who are your manager? Okay, suppose you already have this members. Okay, suppose you have senior member in your management. Management means you have to provide detail of that senior member. That is, this member ABC, this A person have worked in this XYZ Limited for this position. He have working under this position and he also get promoted to this level. All this detail regarding this also you have to explain, so that venture capital capitalist or venture capital institution will get attract from your business plan. That they will think, okay, if I invest in this business means they have enough management team to back up my investment. They will convert my investment. Okay, they will use my investment with productivity, they will use. Okay, like that they will think and they will invest. So what are the special qualities and abilities of your members, that also you have to include. Okay, that is maybe from management strategy, how much management you have, from finance, who is your senior management, and from marketing and different role also you have to specify. For marketing, HR is A, for finance HR, and that is manager is B person. That all detail also you have to include under management team. Then financial projection, that is how much amount you require. Okay, the proposer should consider using a external accountant to verify Because if you adopting, okay, if you are evaluating your business plan, means you won't get enough detail. If you are get hire one external accountant, mean he will advocate, that is the devil advocate he will do, that is whether you will perform good or not, that is how much cash flow you require and how much working capital you require, how much cost you are incurring, whether you how much you fix and how much is variable. This all information will be provided by a external accountant, that have to be easily update and adjust in your business plan. That also have you have to mention in your business plan. Last will be amount and use of finance required and exist plan. That is how much amount you want from venture capitalist. That is how much amount you required from venture capitalist, and how you will utilize this amount. Okay, how much amount you will get from venture capitalist, how much amount you require from venture capitalist, and how you will utilize that one, and as well as the exit plan, that is how he have to exit from your company. Okay, that all detail you have to mention in your business plan. That is the business plan should state how much finance is required by firm and from what sources, that is management, venture capital, bank and other sources. That also you have to specify, that is management we are investing 10 lakh rupees, and from loan we have taken 5 lakh rupees, we still we require 10 lakh rupees, so you have to provide us 10 lakh rupees. That you have to mention, as well as explain purpose, okay, how you will utilize and which grow this one stage you are in, and yeah, possible exit strategy also you have to tell. That is maybe your suppose your company get promoted, that is survive in market, means you will listed in stock market, you have to attract them. We will, okay, after 5 years only we will get more profit and we will attract new investor. In that case you can exit company, that is we can list our company in stock market, as well as okay, we have new borrowers, okay, investor we will attract, so you can, if you want, you can turn around, or else like stages we have gone through, no, management buyout also we have in our company. If you want, you can exit like that way. Okay, exit opportunity in business you have any, that also you have to specify. So by providing this all detail, you have to attract your venture capitalist. Now the process of venture capital, this we will discuss in next class. That's how this business plan will work out.